Hello, cacao lovers. I want to share my morning ritual with you. I start my day to drink cacao every morning. Actually, we have these presentations of the blog, and also we have this presentation we call this fresh ground. And what is the difference between this and the blog and the fresh ground? This is more easy to use it. It's just take it three tablespoons in your cup. If you use as a everyday for start your day or replace your coffee. This blog is more for ritual. You put your intentions and blessing your cacao. For me, it's so important to start my day, to put my intention for my day, to start my morning. I don't drink coffee. I drink cacao every morning. And it's really easy to prepare the cacao. But personally, I love to use the black because my own energy has, when you prepare your cacao, it's all the process. It has your energy. If you use the fresh ground, it's more easy. It's for people who doesn't have time to cut the block and smells so good and really fruity. So I'm going to put my cacao. So it's really easy also to cut the block. It's not too much time, it's like only 5 minutes. That's why I like to use the block. We don't put the cacao directly to the fire. We just use the hot water. In that case, I have my hot water here. And today, I use the size, like not ceremonial size. When you not use the ceremonial size, I use 3 tablespoons per person when it's not as a ceremonial, right? Today I'm going to prepare 2 cups of cacao. And if you want to do as a ceremony, and you can use the cacao 5 tablespoons, and it's really powerful. It's an open heart and really beneficial for your body, your mind, spirit, and body. Now we are going to add the hot water and the cacao. And why we don't put the cacao directly to the fire? Because if you put your cacao directly to the fire, we lost the benefits. That's why it's so important that part you don't put your cacao indirectly to the fire, just hot water. And now we are going to add this, smells so good, this spicy elixir. This is the complement for your cacao ritual. This spicy elixir has cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and cayenne. We are going to add half a teaspoon to each cup. And then we are going to add, I like to use honey, 100% honey, and only this sweet I can add. Also you can use like datil, but personally I like to use honey. But if you do like as a ceremonial way, it's without honey. It's The cacao is really powerful. It's an open heart, has a lot of antioxidants and potassium, magnesium, a lot of minerals, really good for your body. It's the best gift you can give to your temple, which is, I call the temple, it's your body. This is Maya Moon candles. This candle is so special. 25 hours burned, has cacao, cacao candles, rose petal, crystals, and vanilla. It smells so good. It's so important to have your abuelo fire with you, because it's in our, it's make us more warming, to have a lot of gratitude, to connect with your day, to asking for guiding to start your day. And now we are going to use our molinillos. This is the traditional molinillos we have, but if you don't have this in your kitchen, and we have this like this molinillos, but personally I don't use this. For me it's so important to have this connection as ancestral way. It's so important to make the foam to your cacao, because it brings life to your cacao, and also it changes the flavor. That's why we suggest that when you prepare your cacao, if you have time, take that moment for you. Make your foam. So we have ready our cacao, and has the foam, has the spicy elixir, cacao, and water. And I don't use any milk, just water and cacao, spice elixir, and honey.